The world of work is changing fast, and at the center of that change stands the solopreneur, someone who builds, creates, and earns on their own terms. But now there's a new partner in the mix: artificial intelligence. For some, that's exciting. For others, it's terrifying. Let's talk about what this really means, not just for business, but for creativity, freedom, and the future of being your own boss. Step 1, AI isn't the end of creativity, it's the expansion of it. People worry that AI will replace human creativity, but the truth is it enhances it. AI isn't competition, it's collaboration. It helps you brainstorm ideas, polish scripts, and streamline workflows. But AI can't replace the human why. It can write, but it can't feel. That's where you come in. Your story and your lived experience are the soul behind the strategy. AI gives you the canvas. You bring the art. Step 2, the rise of the empowered solopreneur. For the first time in history, one person with the right tools can do the work of an entire team. AI doesn't just save time, it levels the playing field. It gives creators the same leverage once reserved for big companies. But tools don't create empires. People do. The solopreneurs who win are the ones who use AI not to replace creativity, but to amplify it. Step 3, use AI to unlock your genius zone. Your genius zone is where your passion, skill, and purpose intersect. But too often, creators get buried in busy work. AI helps you reclaim your time so you can stay in your zone of genius, where your impact and joy are highest. Use AI for what drains you. Focus on what defines you. That's how you build a business that scales without losing your soul. Step 4, the human edge will always win. As AI grows smarter, humanity becomes your greatest competitive advantage. Your authenticity, empathy, and unique worldview. People don't connect with perfection, they connect with personality. While AI can create, only you can move hearts. The future belongs to those who blend intelligence with intention. Step 5, build a brand that evolves with technology. Technology will keep changing fast, but if your brand is rooted in timeless values, authenticity, creativity, and service, it will always adapt. Use AI to evolve your message, not erase it. Stay curious and flexible. Innovation doesn't belong to the biggest brands anymore. It belongs to the boldest minds. Step 6, create with courage and curiosity. AI gives you endless potential, but you still have to press record, hit publish, and show up. Courage is still the currency of creation. The difference is, now you're not creating alone. You have technology that empowers your imagination. AI isn't the future against us, it's the future with us. It's not replacing creativity, it's redistributing it. The solopreneur of tomorrow is part creator, part strategist, part technologist. AI may power the systems, but you will always power the story.